Hi everyone, my name is Kylie Little and here is my website for my fictional nonprofit Books for All. The purpose of this organization is to provide books to low-income children or teens. This is an opportunity for them to own their own books. People can either donate by dropping off old books or shipping them to the facility, purchasing books from the Amazon wish list, or donating money directly. There is then a section for testimonials to help people understand why this organization is important and how books can really help children and teens learn and grow. Then there is a section where you can request a book that you may want or need, and then that submission will be added to the Amazon wish list. Then there is the call to action again to donate, contact information, and social media icons. For the design, I decided to stick to different shades of blue because blue is a color of trust. So once again, sticking with blue. I wanted to have the various shades to allow for harmony. And then for symmetry, I decided to have the headers and images on the left side of the page, and then all the content on the right. What I have learned most in this class is that spelling matters. When writing HTML, there were times where I'd mix up a letter or two and then wonder why my component wouldn't work. And the things that I struggled with was CSS and optimizing for mobile. I'm just really glad that I had this opportunity to learn more in this class on what goes behind the scenes in creating websites. Thank you.